Oh my days, got another one. Another package from Zhiyun. This is gonna be a good one, I think. Yeah, class. This video is brought to you by Zhiyun. They've sent me a bunch of gear, which I really, really appreciate it. This isn't sponsored, they didn't pay me. They gifted me this stuff, so that's actually what I really like about Zhiyun. They didn't want me to make those videos. They said, no, just take the stuff, go create. Don't review, you don't have to do anything back. They didn't want any of these videos, which I thought was class, fair play to them. But hey, I'm a content creator, I want to create gear reviews, I like the idea of showing unboxing and stuff. So let's get straight into it. This is the Molus X100 Combo, 100 watts from the Molus X100 from Zhiyun. Again, filmmakers camera, cinematic light, super, super powerful. It can be powered by the battery grip or by being plugged in power. USB-C or 24 watt voltage, I think it is. This is not only perfect for professional photo shoots, but for TV shoots, promo shoots, product shoots, whatever it is, because it's so compact but so powerful at 100 watts. Like, I'm really looking forward to actually digging in and actually having a look and get my hands on how light it is. What's included in this box is the Molus X100, obviously. I have a mini reflector with a ZY mount, a bones mount adapter, which is going to be super handy because that can adapt to most lights. The X100 grip battery, which is obviously going to be super, super handy when you're running gun in the field or nighttime shoot or wherever you are and you don't have a plug to plug in. This battery grip is going to save your life. I'm going to go into detail about the battery life and how long it lasts and such in a minute. So there's a 120 watt power adapter included in this also. You have your power adapter, organizer bag, pocket light strap, storage bag, and a quick start guide. So let's get it open. Ugh. Oh, this guy's boxed. This wasn't, the other ones were in the carrier cases, which is interesting. So the bones mount adapter. So if you want to connect it to on top of tripods, whatever it is, this is your bad boy for that. Now, let's get rid of this somehow. Class, look, I didn't open it. This is the first time I've ever seen this light, just as evidence for you. I love that. It's like a sticky tape, you peel it off, but it like peels the logo off. It is sexy. It just looks class. Class. Leave that there. Again, oh, there will be a travel bag. It is a travel bag, it's just in the box. Here we go. So this is the Molus X100 from Zhiyun. Again, you can see the quality of it. Super, super good quality. Batteries, what am I talking about? Zips, super high quality. The whole feel of it, like, it's not that heavy. It's not that heavy. If you have 2 or 3 of these and you're going to a film shoot, pop them all in one case, you are laughing. Like, you can put this in a backpack if you're going traveling, no problem. Easy, that could fit in the bottom of my camera bag, camera on top, whatever it is, and then you have a fully fledged 100 watt light traveling with you. Oh, geez Louise, let's go fire what's interesting. Well, firstly what I'll do is I will take these guys out. So power, usual stuff, usual shite. USB-C to USB-C. This is the battery, I'm guessing that this is the body, if I'm not mistaken. Throw away. Glaring light and high temperature at the holder, direct exposure will cause a fire. Wow, it's that powerful. It's that powerful, lads. Instructions must be used. Be informed when lending this to somebody else, because it is so powerful. Whoa. God, it really is. This professional grade light. Look at that fan. Twisties are super great quality. Push buttons, they're your buttons. That's my power here. Man, this is class. It's so light as well. I can't believe how light it is. Pop this guy out. Pop him out. Pop him in. And we are GDG. So that's sitting there like that. You're getting your... And I'm getting the mini reflector out. And let's see what this guy does. Pop that on there. No, it's so like small. I feel like it's gonna break, but then I'm like, it's rock hard. Like, it's solid. It's super solid, to be honest. So let's turn it on. This bad boy here. Again, nice monitor here. Rotate dim to power on, which I'm doing. You see the little screen here turning on. 4000K. Again, this guy goes from 2700 to 6,500 Kelvin. That's only 10%, lads. Let's go up to 100. That's at 48 Kelvin now. Look at this power. Look. So that's 5,600 Kelvin. Put it behind me, light the wall, light the whole thing. And again, as I said, that goes down to 2,700 Kelvin. Fan will kick in if it gets too hot. At the CCT button, if I click it once, it goes to 2,700 Kelvin. Click it again, it brings me back to 5,500, and then it brings me to 6,500 Kelvin, which is pretty class. And my dim is here, and we are just fucking laughing. It's not RGB though, I don't believe, is it? There's a lot of warnings, lads. High temperature light holder. I can kind of feel it, a small bit. Like the heat of that lamp, you can feel it. But again, very lightweight, sitting on a tripod, powering up a little product shot, like, you know, something like this down below. Bringing you down, where am I doing? Up to 5,600. Let's set that like that. Or you can have a look at the back, which is pretty class. Some netting, if I do want to, for the battery, I'm guessing the battery life. I have my instructions, which I will read because it looks like it's going to get really hot for some reason. For some reason, it's a 100 watt light, of course it's going to get hot. So this is the strap for my light, is it? And the light's the backpack strap. I guess that's my bag, or it's for the light. I have to dig into that a bit deeper. Now let's open the bones mount. Class, class, class. Again, the sexy little thing where I'm opening it. ASMR. It's not ASMR. I can't do ASMR. But again, class logo. Pop. What am I doing? So, if I want to attach anything bigger, any bigger reflectors, I can. If I have a Zhiyun brand or any other brand, I can. Sit on the top of the tripod as usual. So, I'm going to quickly run through some of the specifications. As we said, it's a 100 watt light. So you have, at 100% dim, you have 30 minutes with the battery attached. Obviously, if it's plugged in, you have unlimited time, but 30 minutes for the battery life at 100%. Color temperature ranges from 2,700 to 6,500 Kelvin. The luminance is about 3,800. You can control it with the Zhiyun app as well, just like every other light they have, and all the gimbals. Your battery grip charging time is about 2.5 hours. The ZY mount ecosystem works perfectly with it, so diverse lighting shapes, create like whatever you want to do, interview setups, unboxing, commercials, like whatever, short films, whatever it is. Like this would be class for short films. You're running, gunning out the back, you're shooting. Unbelievable. I want to thank Keith and all the team over at Zhiyun and Transcontinentia for hooking me up. Guys, thank you so much. If you do like this video, please give it a like and subscribe. I do appreciate it. It helps the channel a lot, like a lot. Yeah, thank you so much for watching the video. Appreciate your time. Have a great night, a good morning, good day, whenever you're watching this. And yeah, doses, as they say.